Hello sir, hello everyone. My name is Jennifer D. Banyares. I am from BitElect 4C. My MBTI personality type is ESTJ, which stands for extroverted, sensing, thinking, and judging. Based on my reflection, I've had a few key realizations about how my ESTJ traits influence my approach to my studies and group work. First, as an extrovert and judger, I realize I tend to be one who naturally take charge and likes to organize tasks, deadlines, and group members. I often feel most comfortable when there's clear plan and everyone is held accountable. This is a strength for ensuring efficiency, but I've realized I need to be careful not to dominate the discussion or overlook quietly team members' input. Second, my preference for sensing and thinking means I focus heavily on practical facts and logical steps in problem solving. I'm quick to dismiss abstract or theoretical ideas in favor of a proven real-world solution. My realization here is that sometimes I need to to be more open to big picture or novel concept from my peers before immediately grounding the discussion in practicality. Learning to value the process of exploration, not just the product of solution, is something I need to work on. Overall, my ESTJ nature makes a dependable and organized leader, but for me, to be a truly effective student and teammate, I need to intentionally balance my drive for efficiency with patience and open-mindedness toward different perspective. Thank you everyone.
Sa bawat pagharap natin sa salamin, minsan hindi lang refleksyon ang bumabalik, pati ang mga masasakit na alaalang pilit nating kinakalimutan, ang mga multo ng ating nakaraan.